Namaste you gorgeous people and welcome back to my channel. This video is dedicated to your request of comparing Olaplex with Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab. Yes, right, these two famous products. Both of these products are used for the same purpose, but there's a slight difference in how they work, on which bonds they work, and that's what we are going to talk about next. In this video, I'll be not just reviewing this product but also will compare it with this one and what's the difference, the after effect of using this versus this. Where to buy these products, what is the cost and quantity, which one I like better, which one is for which one, and all about it. Do refer the timestamps in the description box if you want to skip to a particular topic. If you watch my YouTube videos, you know I like to start with basics before explaining about complex products. But in this video, I'm gonna skip what is bond and what is bond repair treatment, why our hair needs it, what are different type of bond, because I have reviewed and answered all these basic sciencey questions in this video. I'm gonna link it here. That one is a must watch video whether you buy this or this. What are these products? Both of these are bond repair treatment, which means that they will prevent breakage of further bonds if your hair is going through a lot, or if our hair is already seen a lot of bond damage, inside damage, like damage on bond level, then this is going to repair those broken bonds. Both of these brands are from US. Olaplex and its products are available on various websites like Sephora, hairandotherstuff.com, Reflexion. I have listed all these websites in my Olaplex video. This one called Bond Curl Rehab Salve is available with nynm.in. I'll list the website here and in the description box if you want to check the discount code and the link. And not just this one, but a lot of products from Curlsmith and a lot of other brands are available with them. If you want a dedicated place where you can buy curly hair products from Indian and non-Indian brand, then that's a place for you. I'll list the link in the description box with the discount code. Like I said, both the products work on repairing the bonds in your hair, but there's a lot of difference in them. Firstly, the price point of view. Olaplex is slightly expensive for the quantity we get. We are getting 100 ml here. The bottle is jammed packed with 100 ml, but you pay $30 for it if you are purchasing from US, or if you're purchasing in India, you'll get it around 2300 if it's on good discount, or 2900 if it's not on discount. This one on the other hand is not really cheap, but as compared to Olaplex, it is comparatively cheaper. If you're purchasing in US, you will get it for $12 for 59 ml, the smaller size, and for 237 ml, this huge bottle. This is a huge bottle. This is for $29. And if you're purchasing this in India, you'll get it for about 2300 on nynm.in after discount for this whole 237 ml bottle. So you see there's a huge price difference here and almost the same price, almost. And you are getting double the amount here. So definitely Curlsmith wins here. Now let's talk about how these actually work and what's the deep inside level of difference in there. Now for Olaplex number 3, you will find it on their website olaplex.com. You will find extensive information on what is the patented ingredient that they are using and how it's working, all the science behind it. Olaplex number 3 not just repairs the broken disulfide bond, but it also prevents the future breakage. So I find that a lot of transparency is there, a lot of information that can be understood by layman is there on just on the website itself, and everything I could understand from reading there itself. Now Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve on the other hand, this one works on not just disulfide bond but also the salt bond, the hydrogen bond. Basically all the three type of bonds it takes care of, prevents the further damage and also repairs them. Not just the hair bond, but it also takes care of the lost protein in our hair. So this one has protein, whereas Olaplex has no protein. However, I have to tell you this, like on the Olaplex website I could go and read so much and understand very easily, but on the Curlsmith website I tried to understand the three patented complex they have: fiber hands complex, Tego Cosmo complex, and Protecutagen bond complex. They have these three patented complex that they are using inside this that takes care of all these things I have told you about, the bond and the proteins. But I could not understand what are they trying to say. Like it was written in such a complex manner, a layman like me could not understand. Somewhere it did feel like Curlsmith doesn't want to share a lot. So I think transparency is a bit missing on Curlsmith's side, which is justified. Okay, you have spent a lot of money and research and time and everything in making your this amazing product, but how do I understand how it's really working for me? That's where I was little disappointed with Curlsmith as compared to Olaplex. Next timestamps, I will show you how I use Curlsmith versus Olaplex number 3 on half and half of my hair. You will be able to compare the results. So keep watching, this is gonna get interesting. This is what my hair looks like naked without any stylers or anything before I started the treatment. Kind of limp. Then I detangled my hair with the conditioner and clarified my hair with Detoxy hard water shampoo. Absorbed some of the water, not all of it, because I need my hair to be damp when I apply the product. Then only they will work properly. Then I removed as many knots as possible using a white tooth comb and my hands. The products do have slip of their own, very good one. I just wanted it to be easier. Then on one side I'm applying Olaplex product about 2 coin sizes and properly rake it in for about 2-3 minutes. Then I make a bun and properly secure it. Then I dampen the other side because it's getting dry and take the almost the same amount of Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I do the same thing, properly covering all strands with it, and then I make a bun again and properly secure it. Then I wear a shower cap. This is to keep my hair damp for about 30-40 minutes. Check the time, it's almost 45 minutes, and then I remove it. And my hair is still damp, and that's very, very important. It's smelling really nice. Both the products have really nice different smell, very mild. This is what my hair is looking right after, but you can't see much difference. So I just rinse it off and follow up with the conditioner. My hair is feeling pretty soft, but I do feel the need to use a conditioner, proper good slip conditioner and with good conditioning factor. And I take a generous amount again. I spread it all over. This is Maintain Conditioner, very good one. I'll provide the link in description box. Properly rake it all in for about 2 minutes again. This is how I use all my products. Then I rinse off the conditioner in 2 minutes and didn't use any styler. These are my naked curls, and look at that Curlsmith side. The curls are looking so defined even without stylers, so much tighter. The Olaplex side is looking soft but not so much defined. And then next day I style with the leave-in and gel as usual, and again you can see there's so much difference. The Olaplex side is looking so much loose as compared to the Curlsmith side. Hello cuties, so this is day 3 after styling, and you can see the mess my hair is. It's not really that much of a mess, but my scalp is, it's kind of smelling. I want to wash it as soon as possible, but for the definition I am really liking it because you can see how well the curls are holding up even now. This is the Curlsmith side. You can see there's the definition here is slightly tighter than this side. If we compare on this side, then you will see that the definition is okay, the tightness is not there, which is because of the protein, I suppose, and this slight frizz as well. I hope you had a thorough investigation through my hair. I'm really liking this side right now. Like, I'm not fan of the tightness because of my natural curl pattern is really tight already, but I'm really liking how it's holding up. Now, if I'm being honest, I have to mention that I like the Curlsmith side much better than Olaplex. Though I have been a loyal customer of Olaplex, still I like the Curlsmith side better because of the shrinkage. Now, shrinkage is because of the protein content in Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. As in Olaplex, protein is not there. And usually, what I do is I use Olaplex and then I use Rehab pea protein mask. I have demonstrated the whole process of using this and this in my Olaplex video, and why I do it, I'm gonna link it here. But if I minus this out, then I don't get the same results with Olaplex because protein, and my hair loves protein. Now again, Curlsmith wins here in terms of ease of use and also money, because every time I use Olaplex, I definitely have to use Rehab pea protein mask, and I always use it together. So I'm spending extra in buying the Rehab pea protein, basically a protein treatment. I'm paying extra for that. I'm spending extra time and effort, and सच बताऊँ तो कमर टूट जाती है जिस दिन ये पूरा treatment होता है. So definitely ease of use here is the what goes to Curlsmith. Just one product and you are getting bond repair, you are also getting protein refillment here. But I do feel that with Curlsmith, the effect of protein doesn't last as long as when I use this combo. But does that fail this product? I don't think so, because even if the effect is wearing off earlier as compared to Olaplex plus Rehab treatment, I can do this more frequently because I'm paying less for this one. This is gonna last way longer than Olaplex. In terms of bond repair, in terms of repairing bonds at the bond level, inside level, I cannot really comment strongly on that, how Curlsmith works, as compared to how Olaplex work, because my hair is in pretty good condition. The damage level here is very less. So I don't really see a lot of difference many times when I use just Olaplex. I have mentioned this in the Olaplex video as well. That's why I use it less frequently, because until and unless my hair is in super duper bad condition, I don't use it. Otherwise I won't see any difference. Whereas in terms of Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve, I do see a lot of difference because of the protein content in it. So I'm getting something there. In terms of conditioning, I felt that both of these are very conditioning. They both have amazing slip, very similar texture, and very easy to spread and detangle your hair. Very, very nice. Both of these were very comparable in that term. I use both of these in the same manner, like after shampoo on clean damp hair, and I keep them for almost the same time. And you don't need to keep any of them for more than 1 hour. Like 45-50 minutes is max if you have very, very damaged hair. I keep it around 30, 40, 45 minutes, not more than that, whether I'm using this or this. Now that brings to my last question, which one do I recommend actually? See, it all drills down to your budget. If you have the budget to buy Olaplex number 3 and Rehab Pea protein mask with it, especially if your hair likes protein, then definitely I would recommend this. This is salon level. This is used all over the world in all the salons. I would definitely recommend this. However, if you do not have the budget to buy Olaplex and Rehab Pea protein mask with it, that's completely okay. You do not have to break your bank in order to, repair your hair and do something about it. If your hair is a lot more damaged, then definitely you will need these protein treatments and bond repair treatments a lot more frequently, which means you will need to keep on purchasing whatever product you are using if that finishes off. So I think buying this one, Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab, in this huge bottle is way cheaper than buying Olaplex, and for almost the same effect on your hair. This does a lot as compared to Olaplex alone. So yeah, this one is definitely a must try.